Why do cats do this?
Trainwreck 4. Hello, it me. Let me talk about Cancer Edition. What is bone cancer? Bone cancer is cancer that starts in bone cells.
But me? What is a bone and how do I order some?
What is a bone? Well, first off, you can't order them. Well, technically you can, but those aren't real. Get Amazon out of here. Bones are the framework of your body. The outer layer is made of cortical bone.
Cortical means compact.
The inside covering is made of trabecular bone.
Trabecular means light and spongy.
Bones are hollow, and in the hollowness is called the medullary cavity. Inside that is bone marrow. Two important cells are osteoblast and osteoclast. The blast puts down new bone, and the clast dissolves the old bone.
That's really cool and all, but I can't find any for my Tasmanian devil, and I'm out of my own human bones.
What do you mean out? You didn't feed him your own. You totally.
Yup.
Hey, Will, shut up.
There are a ton of bone cancer, but I'm only going to be talking about my top 5 bone cancer that I read off these papers. Stop! These aren't in any particular order, by the way. Osteosarcoma is the most common type of bone cancer to get. Tumors can occur in the arms, legs, or pelvis. This cancer is found mostly in those aging from 10 to 30. Chondrosarcoma is the second most common type of bone cancer. This mad lad puts naughty tumors in cartilage, like stuff that your ears and nose are made of. Give them a squeeze. Actually, don't. As I said, these tumors occur and develop where there's cartilage. These tumors are divided into grades. There are 3 grades: low, intermediate, and high grades, or 1, 2, 3. What, were you expecting some super sciencey words like tetrachlorodibenzoyl dioxide? By the way, that word means gas that appears from wood. Oh no. Anyways, 3 grades. The lower the grade, the slower the growth of the tumor. Alright, next! The Ewing tumor is the third most common bone cancer. This tumor occurs most frequently in the pelvis, chest walls, legs, and arm. It is found mostly in those who are under 30, and I quote directly from the article, occurs most often in white people and are very rare among African Americans and Asian Americans. Just to clarify, not being racist, just stating the fact. Here's another cool quote. More information can be found in the Ewing family of tumors. What? Why is there a family of tumors? Malignant fibrosis histocytoma, also known as, come on science, really? Pleomorphic undifferentiated sarcoma. This cancer starts most frequently in soft tissues like trabecular bones I mentioned earlier. Tends to spread toward other organs like lungs. Tends to occur in middle-aged men and the elderly. Chordoma starts in the skull and bones of the spine and tends to grow slowly. Occurs twice as much in males than in females. Transition. Whew! That was a lot of talk of things growing on bones. Anyways, that's the end of Tasmanian eating Tony. How's it going, man?
Don't you dare say pepperoni.
Peppermint?
Good. Anyways, can I get the scoop on the treatment of these mean cancer whatchamacallit things?
I almost forgot about that. Alright, so the laydown is on chemotherapy and targeted therapy. Chemotherapy. There's research on a certain chemo called zoledronic acid. The research is on seeing if they can use this as filling for where a bone tumor was removed. There's also studies ongoing for survivors of these various cancers. These studies are on what the long-term side effect this treatment has on the brain. Another treatment is targeted therapy. Targeted therapy is drugs targeted at certain genes and protein structures in cancer cells. An example of this is dasatinib tests. Say this may treat chondrosarcoma. The conclusion / everything I didn't say but need to say. First off, this whole project wouldn't be possible if it weren't for these people who wrote the article that this video was based on. A quick summary of the process of making this video. Haley found the article, Maddie then did the glossary part, then Haley annotated it, then I used the annotated article to make a script. Maddie then proofed the script, and then I voiced the lines, and then edited the video. Some applications, I guess, I have for making this is that to not make another video on cancer because it's a little depressing, and to donate to charity more because cancer is not good. Wowee, was this a hard video to make, like I said, even though I did kind of go through the process of making, of like how I made this video real quick. I got the flu and the migraine at the same time, I'm pretty sure, halfway through editing this. Yeah, that was not fun. This video has gone on long enough, so a special thanks to my two group mates, Maddie and Haley. They helped out tremendously. Or if you want to know where the link to the article is and all the other audio and video stuff I did, links are in the description. If you liked watching this and you want to see more content like this, I actually have 2 other videos on my channel right now that are in a similar thing. They're basically school projects. Hope you enjoyed, and that's all. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. This is way too long. I'm so sorry.